Do we pick a thick piece? Do we pick a thin piece? How do we pick this piece? Hi everybody, I'm here today with this little headband hairstyle. Stays out of your face. It looks a little more elegant than just tucking it behind your ears, and it can give you a little snatch. So if you'd like to see how I did this hairstyle, please keep watching.
This hairstyle works on any texture, but I went in with the air wrap and small air wrap attachment first to give myself a foundation and brushed it out with a big round brush.
So now we have these big bouncy fluffy curls to start with, right? So the part that we're going to make our headband, how do you know how much to pick? Do we pick a thick piece? Do we pick a thin piece? How do we pick this piece, right? How much do we know how to pull back? I take a comb. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see it better, but where my head and the comb start to separate, where my head rounds down and the comb stays flat, that's going to be the start of it, and it's going to go right to before my ear on both sides. That's going to be the section. And to keep my pieces smooth, I'm going to be using a styling cream. You can use any styling cream or pomade you like. Just a little something to keep them smooth and shiny and in place. Now you can use a spoolie, a little mascara spoolie, or you can use the comb, or I'm going to actually use my spornet brush because it has a little tail end and I like that. And we're just going to take a little tiny elastic and we're going to pin our pieces back. So where the comb lifted off my head to just in front of the ear on both sides. To secure our sections with a little tiny rubber band, we have two options. We can either gather the hair underneath, or we can snatch the face. So let's see, I'm going to show you both options here. This is option number one. Option number one. Or option number two, which lifts the face, split your hair in the back in half, and instead of securing your front section underneath all the hair, pull it up a bit and secure it in the middle.
The idea is that the higher and tighter you lift, the more you snatch. There's no wrong or right to which option you choose, snatched or not snatched, but I just wanted to give you both.
And then if you want to give it a little extra volume, and if you want to add a little headband, we pick a thick piece, we pick where my head ran. I can't talk today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.